Welcome to Refined Living, the hub of home improvement hacks. Today, the spotlight is on a common adversary, dust. It's a fine, grainy villain that seems to have the superpower of instant regeneration, constantly making a comeback no matter how many times you banish it. But don't despair, because today you're going to learn how to turn the tables and keep dust at bay. Why does dust seem to be an omnipresent entity in our homes? And it's a mix of outdoor pollutants, pet dander, and even human shedding. Frustrating as it may be, it's a foe that can be subdued with the right strategies. Start by tackling the issue at its root with prevention. A no-shoes policy in the house is a simple yet effective method. Shoes are like the Pied Piper of dust, luring it into the house from outside. By leaving them at the door, you're essentially stopping dust at the threshold. Another powerful tool in your arsenal against dust is a high-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) purifier. These devices are pros at trapping even the tiniest dust particles, significantly improving your indoor air quality. Combine this with the use of a microfiber cloth for dusting, and you're well on your way to a dust-free haven. Regular cleaning of carpets and hard floors is a must. And remember, your cozy bedding can be a hiding place for dust and allergens, so frequent washing is key. For those high-traffic areas, consider a water hog mat. These heavy-duty mats are specially designed to catch dirt and debris before they enter your home. Another often overlooked dust culprit is your air conditioning unit. Regularly changing the filters can drastically cut down the amount of dust that circulates in your home. This video also delves into the latest research on how dust affects our health, some surprising facts and stats about dust, and tips on how to maintain a dust-free home. It also explores allergens that may be lurking in your home and how to deal with them. So gear up to transform your living space into a dust-free sanctuary. Remember, a clean home is a happy home, and you're about to make that a reality. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more practical and ingenious home improvement tips. Until next time, keep the dust at bay and stay fabulous.